So today, students, this video is going to change your life if you listen and spend just 4 minutes or 4.5 minutes with me. I would like to tell 4-step method which was explained by Richard Feynman, who is a Nobel Prize winner. He is having a nickname called as Super Explainer. So this video is going to change your life by increasing your grasping power to 10 times better than what it is present today. So if you want to increase your memory power, grasping power and master any subject, especially physics subject, then you have to just teach to others. If you want to master any subject, you have to teach others. There is no ultimate method. I'll tell you a story of my friend who was completely stuck in his life. He was very sad, depressed. Then I told him, don't worry, because he failed in degree in mathematics. I told, don't worry, you just teach the subject, I told him. Then he told, how can I get the job when I was failed in maths? Then I told, nobody is going to see your certificates. I'll tell you one school in which there is a maths vacancy. Nobody is going to see your certificates. You just prepare for a demo and teach them. Then he was selected in a school. I told him 4 methods which was explained by Richard Feynman, who is a Nobel Prize winner. I would like to discuss what are his objectives. Okay, so this is a person who is also called as Super Explainer. He is also called as a Super Explainer. And he was passionate. He was master in physics. He was master in teaching physics. He was admired by many scientists. His proven methods applied by many of them. He was passionate of teaching. He has done research through 3-4 decades to understand the method of teaching here. So let me discuss what are the methods explained by Richard Feynman. First thing is, you need to understand the pyramid which is called as learning pyramid, which will help you to understand what is the best method to learn a subject. According to scientists like Richard Feynman, the best method to master any subject is to teach it. There is no ultimate method like teaching. There are many methods like group discussions. There are many methods like audiovisual aids using of learning a subject. There are many methods like doing experiment. But Richard Feynman has said that teaching is the ultimate method which will help you to grasp the subject up to 90%. So let us learn about the principles of Richard Feynman. He said, the first principle is that you must not fool yourself, and you are the easiest person to be fooled. Okay. And the next thing is, if you want to understand something well, you have to explain it. If you want to understand something well, you have to explain it, no other method. Then, if you can't explain anything simply, that means you didn't understand that one. It was explained by even Einstein also. Okay. So this is a learning pyramid I want to explain here. So if you listen to the lecture only 5%, read 10%, audiovisuals 20%, demonstration 30%, discussion group that is 50%, practice by doing 75%, but teaching, ultimate method, teaching gives you 90% of grasping. So these are the 4 methods. Pick a topic and study thoroughly. Try to convert that in your language, in your own language, and write the notes. Then explain the topic to your friends. If you feel shy, explain to yourself in a closed room. Fix one blackboard. Try to explain as if somebody is sitting before you. So after explaining, you will get many doubts, many weak areas. Then next you have to do is go back to the same topic and read to clarify your doubts. If you want, you can change the book of particular topic and read the books of some other author also, whose perception of explaining will be somewhat different. So read multiple books, a particular topic, and grasp that one. Okay. And again teach this. Okay. Again teach this to others. This is the ultimate method of understanding any subject. Okay. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay. So the final step I would like to explain here is, you need to attack any subject and master in that. Then definitely you have to explain to others. You have to explain to others. Ultimate method is that. Okay, so these 4 proven steps, if you understand, then you can grow in your life to maximum extent. Thank you very much.